I bought this welder from AliExpress. It does really good job. Plastic welder gun. I tried this already. Stuff like that. You can get more of them, different shape. By using this one, this is best. Some small bags there in a kit. I think it's about 20 euro or something that cost. This all the box, and it works very easy. The minute you have this power plug in, and then just push in, you hold that, see, just like that, and then just press it. Hold on, you have to get this one. Okay, and you see start welding. That's it. Turn off. Let him cool down. That's it. Job done. I need to fix all that crack. It's really, I think he's doing a very good job. See, then just need to coat with nibs or something like that. Pliers or have a little some more. Anyway, you just had to just cut off pliers. To see where's that. Don't have it. Oh, there. Just like that. I may have to do it a bit more tidy job, but it does really, I think it's a good job. Really worth it. That 23 euro or something like that on AliExpress. It's really handy. Thanks for watching.